Hello everyone, this is gonna be a video on the hobbies calera or 50 classic style. Here it is with 5 light kit. On. This light bulb is currently burned out. So yeah, it's low. I got this from Lowe's today. I got the fan from Lowe's. Here's the box. It has a download. There's the pin and color pin for it. It had the download, but I decided to flush mount it. Pretty good airflow. Unfortunately, the light chain is broken. Off. Medium. Pretty good airflow. Hang on guys, I'm gonna close the garage door. That's better. Pretty good airflow. Let me unscrew that. There we go, that's a little bit better lighting. High. Might shake. Pretty good airflow. I'm impressed. This airflow. Oh, I can't reach that one unfortunately because the fan is on high. Unscrew. Can't reach that one either, so we'll do 2. Spin down. Hang on guys, that cord is like there we go. Yeah, the fan, as you know, is all black. I mean, the whole thing is black except for the bottom of the blade, which are like a lighter color. Change back to low or off. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.